Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The most beautiful and highly desirable properties start with the owner's unique vision and a good location. This 3.9-acre property gives 180-degree views of the Caribbean Sea and views of the St. Anne Hills. It effortlessly creates a great space for family, friends, and entertainment. With 8 bedrooms in the main house and an annexed, self contained cottage with a bathroom and kitchenette, there will be space for everyone. Whether you want this property for your personal use or to operate for short term stays, there is something for everyone to do and enjoy. Swim in the pool, chill in the hot tub, admire the bird sanctuary, relax on swings under the big tree, sip lemonade in the gardens in the cool afternoon breeze, read a book in the gazebo, play a game of tennis on the large court, admire endless views of the sea and hills from the pool deck. Have a game of pool in the games room or a game of table tennis or darts in the outdoor common space. Host a retreat for private groups or use the expansive lawns to host weddings and other functions. If you are a fitness enthusiast, let outside be your gym. It's all here for you. Make this Jamaica's next most desirable address. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1,150,000 or Jamaican $183.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.